Welcome to Constangy Clips, the series with tips on staying ahead of important legal challenges in the workplace and cyberspace. I'm Kelly McGrath, an attorney with Constangy's immigration team, and today I'm going to talk about the H-1B cap lottery process for fiscal year 2026. H-1B cap season is upon us, and you may be wondering what that means for your foreign national employees. What is the H-1B visa and what roles qualify? The H-1B visa is available for foreign nationals employed in specialty occupations. Well, what are specialty occupations? Specialty occupations require the theoretical and practical application of a body of highly specialized knowledge. This basically means the role requires a U.S. bachelor's degree or higher in a directly related specific specialty or its equivalent, like a foreign degree. Specialty occupations include roles like software developers, data analysts, or scientists. So who qualifies for an H-1B visa? Well, even for entry-level H-1B positions, the individual must have a bachelor's degree or higher in a directly related specific field. So what exactly is H-1B cap and what is the lottery process? Congress allows for 65,000 new H-1B visas each fiscal year, with an additional 20,000 issued for beneficiaries with a U.S. master's degree or higher related to the occupation. Because the H-1B is one of the most popular visas in the United States, there are always more applicants than visas allowed. Because of this, the U.S. Citizen and Immigration Services has implemented a lottery system that will run at the beginning of April. The earliest selected individuals can start work in H-1B status is on October 1st, the start of the U.S. government fiscal year. How does the lottery work? Previously, the lottery was a cumbersome process for employers and their immigration counsel. It required sending full H-1B petitions to USCIS, who would then conduct the lottery and return any unselected petitions. Now the process is much easier, with an online registration system available on the government's website. The registration system requires the following: the employer's name, FEIN, and headquarters address, an employer representative's contact information, the foreign national's biographic information, and whether the foreign national is applying under the U.S. master's cap. Also, each registration costs $215. The lottery is now run as a beneficiary-centric selection process, which is designed to prevent beneficiaries from trying to game the system. The registration window is historically open in the last 2 weeks of March, and selections are identified in early April. Employers then have 90 days to file the H-1B cap petition. Which employees should be entered into the lottery? If foreign national employees are already in the United States working under an H-1B visa, they do not need to be entered into the lottery again. The same is true if they were previously counted against the cap within the past 6 years and activated their H-1B visa. Generally, the employees you should consider entering into the lottery are those that meet the specialty occupation requirements, and if they're outside the U.S. and you want to bring them to the U.S. to work, or employees currently in the U.S. in other statuses like F1 student status, L1, H4, TN, or E3, to name a few. If your employee is not selected, you may have other options. Please consult with your immigration counsel for guidance and support. Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow Constangy on LinkedIn, Facebook, X, and YouTube for important updates and more tips for minimizing risk in this dynamic legal space.